Now it's time to check back in with meteorologist Michelle Muscatello. She's live now in the Pinpoint Doppler 12 Forecast Center with more on what she's tracking. Michelle?
Well, Danielle, we are continuing to track some snow showers moving through our area. This is on the backside of our powerful nor'easter as it moves further away from the Cape and Nantucket at this noontime. Let's go down and start on the radar. And you can see here we're even on the Cape where the majority of the night and into this morning it was rain. Most areas have made that change back over to snow, and an additional quarter to say 3/4 of an inch of snow not out of the question. Just got a report in from one of our weather spotters in Woonsocket who said he ended up picking up another 3/4 of an inch of snow from some of these at times heavier bursts of snow showers that have moved through, but it's just kind of a nasty afternoon with the blowing and the drifting snow. Those snow showers continue. They'll wind down, and in spots where we're not seeing the snow, we're actually seeing a few breaks in the cloud cover. But we are concerned, especially as you head further north and west, that the blowing and the drifting snow will continue to make travel pretty difficult. It's why the blizzard warning was allowed to expire, but a winter weather advisory has been put up in its place, and that will now go until midnight tonight. And even in the southeast corner of our viewing area, we're still expecting those very strong winds and blowing and drifting here as well. Gusts 50 to 60 miles per hour. So we could still be looking, especially the snow has been very heavy and wet. It's just clinging to the branches and the limbs. That can lead to some more scattered power outages. It's something that we'll be concerned about and watching for as we go into the rest of the daytime today. Winds are ranging from about 30 to 40 miles per hour right now across much of Rhode Island, though. You can see up in Worcester, winds have picked up 51-mile-an-hour wind gusts, 49 in Provincetown, and temperatures have dropped into the mid-20s across most of Rhode Island, and we're now seeing them fall. We were at 41 earlier this morning in Provincetown, back to 34. These are updated snowfall amounts in from our weather spotters and the National Weather Service. This is right outside the National Weather Service, one of the higher amounts. Taunton at 16.7 inches, Mansfield just around 16 inches, Warwick closing in on a foot, Cumberland at 10 inches, and Middletown, one of the lighter amounts. You saw a little bit of mixing there, about 8.5 inches is the latest report that I've had from down on Aquidneck Island. Wind gusts, I mean, this is what is the other part of this story. Wellfleet with an 80-mile-an-hour wind gust. One of our viewers sent in a 78-mile-per-hour wind gust on Block Island, Prudence Island with a 60-mile-an-hour gust in West Warwick, 53. So we'll still be watching for some of those stronger wind gusts through the afternoon. You can even see our camera shaking right now. Live City Cam 25 feels like 10 above. We are watching again our nor'easter lifting up into the Canadian Maritimes, but the snow showers continue. Now they will wind down this afternoon.